Welcome to this mindful moment. I'm so glad you're here. Today we'll explore a practice of pausing to meet cravings with curiosity, kindness, and care. Cravings are part of being human. Whether it's a craving for food, distractions, a habit, or something deeper, they often carry a powerful pull. But what if, instead of rushing to satisfy them, we paused for just a moment? What if we explored what the craving is really asking for, and most importantly, without judgment, and with gentle curiosity? Before we begin, I'd like to share a short poem called The Power of the Pause, to set the tone for our time together. Pause for a moment. Feel the pull of craving. Be curious. What happens when you want something, but you don't immediately reach for it? Notice the gravity of desire without judgment. Is it pleasant? Unpleasant? Does it promise to solve something? What need does it speak to? In this pause, let care replace judgment. Notice the pull and know that your heart is more powerful than the craving. This meditation will gently guide you to notice the sensations of craving, explore its pull, and replace judgment with compassion. If you're new to mindfulness, know that there's no right way to do this. Simply showing up is enough. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit upright in a chair with your feet grounded, settle onto a cushion, or lie down if that feels best. Rest your hands gently in your lap or by your sides. If it feels safe and grounding, allow your eyes to close. If not, simply soften your gaze and let it rest somewhere in front of you. Let's arrive in this moment with a few deep breaths together. Take a slow breath in through the nose, filling your lungs fully, and a soft breath out through the mouth, releasing any tension. Let's take 2 more, breathing in and breathing out. Now let yourself settle into the rhythm of your breath, feeling the natural flow as it comes and goes. You're here, and you're exactly where you need to be. Begin by noticing your body as it is right now. Feel the support beneath you, your feet on the ground, your seat in the chair, or your back resting on the floor, couch, or bed. Let yourself be held by the earth, steady and stable. Now bring your awareness to your breath. As I said earlier, there's no need to change or control it. Just observe its natural rhythm. Feel the inhale and the exhale, like gentle waves rolling in and out. Let this simple act of breathing anchor you in this moment. You might silently remind yourself, I am here. I am grounded. From this place of steadiness, I invite you to bring to mind a craving you've experienced recently. It might be the urge to reach for food, a screen, a habit, or something else. If nothing specific comes to mind, that's okay. Just notice whatever arises in your awareness. As you hold this gently in your mind, begin to explore it with curiosity. Ask yourself, where do I feel this craving in my body? Is it a tightness in the chest, flutter in the stomach? Maybe there's restlessness in your hands. Simply notice. There's no need to push it away or change it. Just be with the sensation. Now ask, is this craving pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral? What does it promise? Perhaps it's offering comfort, relief, or distraction. Stay open to whatever answers arise, holding them lightly. You're not trying to solve or fix the craving right here, only to observe it, like watching a cloud drifting across the sky. You might say to yourself, I see you. I'm curious about you. As you continue to notice this craving, it's common for judgment to arise. Thoughts like, I shouldn't feel this way, or why can't I just stop, might appear. If they do, gently soften them. Imagine offering yourself the same kindness you would offer a dear friend. You might place a hand over your heart if that feels comforting, and silently say to yourself, it's okay to feel this way. I don't have to act on it right now. I'm bigger than this feeling, and I'm here for myself. Breathe into this kindness. With each inhale, imagine filling your body with compassion. With each exhale, let go of any tension or harshness you're holding. Let this moment of care remind you, your heart, your awareness is more powerful than the pull of any craving. Now, I invite you to gently reflect. What might this craving be asking for underneath the surface? Perhaps it's a need for rest, comfort, connection, or even joy. There's no need to have a perfect answer. Just hold the question with gentle curiosity. What do I really need right now? If an answer arises, meet it with kindness. If nothing comes up, that's okay too. Simply being here, breathing, pausing, and observing is enough. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Has anything shifted? Perhaps the craving feels softer, or maybe it's still here. Whatever you notice, meet it with patience and care. As we close, take a deep, steady breath in, feeling your body expand, and a long, grounding breath out. Let yourself settle into the stillness, knowing you've created space and shown up for yourself in a powerful way. Whenever you feel the pull, remember that you can always return to your breath, to this pause, and to the kindness within you. When you're ready, gently bring some movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. If your eyes are closed, softly open them, taking in the space around you. Thank you for being here today and for taking this mindful moment for yourself. If you enjoyed this time together, let's stay in touch. You can hit subscribe for more mindful moments or find me over on Instagram at Let's Make It Mindful. I'm there with daily poems and reflections, so whenever you need a mindful scroll break, I've got you covered. And before you go, how did this reflection feel for you? I'd love to hear. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts.